Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach with PHP project how to run on Docker. So I am going to teach step by step. So I have created the folder which PHP Docker. Okay, here this folder. So I am going to create a new one. PHP projects. Here I am going to select type cmd code space dot index.php php close bracket. Here you type echo Docker my first project, right? So these are things we have to do. So I have created the PHP application completed. So after that, how to implement the Docker? First, I have already saw how to install the Docker. I have already a video. If you don't know, you go to my video description. You will check out. There is a video how to install the Docker on your Windows machines. Okay. After that, you have to click the Docker. Select the Docker. If you click on it, it automatically run on your computer. Okay, this Docker desktop is running. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to implementation the Docker file. So you try Docker file. Okay, Docker file. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to go to Dockerfile. This is a Dockerfile. Okay, so this file I'm going to implement it over here. Okay, so here this code I'll provide you. Don't worry. Okay, I'll provide you my video description. This is all the source code provided. Don't worry about that one. Okay, so what I did here is first you have to run the version. After this is the container where we are going to the Docker. Okay, copy.var. This is the container of the Docker. Okay, this is a permission. You have to allow the permission and all. So this is the Docker file configuration. Okay, so that's we have to create the containers. Copy that all the files. These all the files into the container mean this Docker container. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create another file which is this is all the must file which is docker compose yml. Okay, this is the file I'm going to create. Okay, so docker this one file. Okay, docker compose this file. This is the extension. This is nothing but an extension, wml extension. After that, what I'm going to do is so that I'm going to go to this is the ports. This port I'm going to connect with. You can change the font what you need. So this is the port configuration. This is your container name. I'm going to create a container which is a docker php app. Okay, I gave the name like this. You can give any name. Port I'm going to change it as a 8082 port. Keep 80. Okay, don't change this one, not running. So you have to keep this one. So this is how we have to do the configuration part. This is a port we have to configure the port of the Docker. Okay, this is I'm not connect any databases yet. Okay, so you must save all, do the save all process. Okay, that's the thing. This is your PHP project. This is a Docker file. This is a compose. Okay, so the where is your port, the container name. This is simple. When you just copy and whatever project you are doing for the first time, you have to give the container name and port. After that, Docker file, you have to copy these things. This is all the must. After done the stuff, you file, save all, terminal, open the new terminal. What I'm going to implement it over here. Okay, so you have to write the command where you have to run it. Okay, so you have to run the command. This is a docker compose build. Okay, docker compose build. Docker compose build. Sorry, I have accidentally forgot it. What docker compose update. Okay, you have to wait until the uh, Docker container is created. Okay, so you have to wait and the Docker container is created successfully. It created. Okay, the Docker container is created. Okay, it's created. Okay, it very fast. The Docker container is created. After Docker container is created, what happens is now you will be able to all things are connected. Okay, the build app. Okay, now I'm going to run the app using which port. This is the port where I'm going to running. So I'm going to open up the project. You write localhost. It must be a port 8082. Here Docker my first project. Okay, so whatever you do, it will be working. Okay, so that whatever PHP project you are working on, will file save or bring back to the application. Here it's working. We just save it, it will be running. Very simple. Okay, it's very simple here. Rather than you have to doing the XAMPP, this all the things are done by simple this Docker. Okay, I hope you guys you understood the things well. Thank you for watching.